Now we're going to see account determination in S4 HANA 1909. Like in all versions, I feel that there won't be much, not much changes. I'm sorry, when you compare with your ECC. So how it works, like so how your GL accounts will be determined by using account determination procedure that we're going to see now. So for broad explanation, if you go through my ECC related sales and distribution in simple English, so there I have given with certain examples. Here we will see the standard examples how the account determination works. Let me go to the S4 HANA. So this is one of the GL account, sorry, one of the delivery account. Let me go to VL03N. So if you check the document flow, if you see the document flow of this delivery, so for this billing not yet done, let's try to create a bill, how the system behaves. Maybe standard account determination might be done. Let me try to execute this one, how the system behaves. So we have a net value and this is the bill. Now I'm going to save this. So no general entry generated. Let's go to VF02 and let's try to release to accounting. So let's go to the revenue accounts. What exactly we have. So the way they're presenting the screens S4 1909 screen is in a simple way. Instead of going inside of the options and checking, it's a bit changed. So now GL account is determined for our sales organization. Let's go and check quickly how to do the what I would say GL account determination. Account determination, this is one of the key integration between your SD and sales and distribution that you already aware in ECC system. Let's go to the configuration section, go to the SPRO, reference IMG. Let's try to get onto this sales and distribution. Better go basic functions. So there you can see account assignment and costing. Okay. So account assignment and costing. Here we go. Revenue account determination. Okay. If you go revenue account determination, so you can able to do in two ways. Okay. Let's see the traditional way of doing first. So check master data relevant for account assignment. Let's check this. So account assignment categories will be defined. How it works, like so for which material on which material sale for which customer the GL account values will be posted for your so how what is the basic advantage if you do account determination when you do a transaction, so like either credit or debit, the values will be posted. So when how it will be posted, like in SAP, so by using condition technique you are going to do revenue account determination. For that, so to identify your customer you need account assignment category. It might be retailer. For retailers, if you have separate GL account, so if you have a separate account, it will be posted through that particular account key into respect to GL account. In the similar way, material side also, if you have a certain GL account, it will be posted. So let me try to show you. It's very simple. So in materials, if you see, like you would like to separate your revenue based on your customer requirements. Products you wanted to do separately, and services you wanted to do separately, and trading goods you wanted to do separately. Like that, you can able to define your own account assignment categories depends on your customer requirements. Let me try to create one new entry, G1 for trading goods. Okay, so G2 is spare. Okay, others will keep it, not spares in our business. So he created a couple of sections, like if any trading goods are there, your values will be posted after creating the bill for trading goods. Okay, for materials and others, it will be posted, including your services and everything. Let's take one scenario like this. Now you go to the customers. In the similar way, you have a domestic revenues and foreign revenues. Okay, so here I am just doing like this. G1 is for local sales, G2 is for my export customers. Okay, that means export sales. So all foreign revenue will be posted into the separate GL account. Let me choose, it's a practice system. Let me choose my own. Okay, this is initially created. Let it get saved in this transaction. So we have created account assignment categories for material and customer. Next, go to the dependencies revenue account determination. Here you have to create condition tables if you'd like to create your own. Let me try to check any combinations are available, like customer material group, account assignment group. So like some kind of table, because your key combination need to be recognized. Okay, so certain combination, if it matches, the value will be posted to certain GL account. Like in pricing, how the price will be determined in the similar way, your GL account will be determined in the combination of your application and your chart of accounts and your sales organization and your account type and your account assignment category, customer and material, and as well as the respective account key to post the value. Let's try to create our own way. Maybe I can choose this 999. So in this, what I can say, let me choose, let me go down. Let me choose the sales organization. So by sales organization, and if I have a specific requirement like wholesales and retail, so on that case I can able to do it, but I don't want to differentiate my revenue based on the channel through which I am selling. So simply I'm taking the sales organization. So let's come here. So these are the key combinations. If any generally existing key combinations are using, but in real time if you need some specific key combination, certain field, it need to be inserted into include programs, and the structure will be there, like how we do the field adding and pricing. In the similar way we can able to do it. Okay, so let me do this. Account assignment category for customer, account assignment category for material, and account key. So let me check this field attributes. If you'd like to check like how you are checking in this thing, let's put it this one. So let's save this. Let's come here. Let's put it generate. So certain combination is already exists, but I'm still taking my own table. So here two things are there. So in real time, you will have a package that is given by your technical team. It is created by your basis consultant, intervention with the ABAP. So once you save in package, that will be moved from, that will be, cross client. It can be moved from one system to another system. So if it is a local object, then it will be saved for this system only. It is a practice system, then now you can able to generate here. Okay, it's very simple. So next go to the define access sequence for your account determination. Go to the account access sequence. Let's go. Let's try to check account determination, this one. So let's try to use the standard, or else you can able to copy it. So let's copy this GOFI. Okay, copy all. So let's check this. Go to access sequence. So these key combinations we don't require. Why? Because we are trying to represent our own way. So let's put this. Let's press enter. Go to new entries and let's put it our table. Okay, let's select this. Let's do the field determination. I think you guys are aware of how to do the account determination. It is simple. If you have an ECC S4 HANA, there is no much changes. This is KOMKCV. This is the structure where uh, you are going to identify if you try to add any new fields for account determination. So let's go to again our own way of okay, account access sequence as for HANA. Let's put it. Let's save this. So now we have done the field determination. Now it's time to create your condition type for account determination. So that is account determination types. Okay, let's go to new entries. Let's put it to GOFI account determination test. You put it. Let's put the access sequence which we have defined GOFI. Let's save this. Now next go to the next step, define and assign account determination procedure. First we have to define account determination procedure. So standard, this is the one. Let's copy this. Let's put it. Okay, copy this. Let's click on this. Or let's select this. So in if you go to the traditional ECC, if you double click, select and click this one, it is going. You have to select like this selection button they have given. So let's put it. What is this? GOFI. So controlling anyhow. As of now, we're not touching this one. Let's put it. Let's keep it the standard one only. So see if you can see the same thing like in ECC. So if financial side postings are there, so requirement 3 will be there without controlling account assignment. So to differentiate, 2 is with controlling account assignment. Like a control side, if any postings are there, like a revenue controlling externally through your profit center or some other things, such cases you have to go for it. Otherwise, you have to choose this one. Let's save this. So your details got changed. So now you try to assign account determination procedure your respective billing document. Okay. Before that, let's try to copy our own way of billing document. We'll check if any issues are coming instead of using standard one. Let's go to VOFA. Okay, so since we are there in this transaction, it won't allow you to go further. Let's go back. So now let's go back. Let's close this session. This is not required. So let's try to go to the more. So your display and change here given. If you see the traditional layout, it's much easier and easy to use. If you go to F2, let's save this. The field discussion we will do it later. Let's put it to ZF2, copying it as. So let's save this. Yes, let's do this. Okay, copy this. So now let's go to Vivo V8. Why? Because this is a new one we are using. So let's try to take over. This also I'm just copying. I just need a new document type. GGG. Okay, let's save this. Let's press enter. Double click on this. So here you're going to assign your delivery type as well as if you are creating any billing type. Mine is ZF2 I'm using as of now. Okay, for order relevant also I'll try to use the same document. Okay, let's save this. Once this part is done, let's go to OVLK. So this is in the middle. I'm just taking you back. I'm just trying to create my own delivery types and billing type. So instead of disturbing the existing standard system, so that we can able to use this one, let's put it. Let's save this one. Okay, just press enter. Now go back to Vivo V8. Let's try to open. My document is this one. Double click on this. This field explanation later we can see. Let me put it ZLF for my outbound delivery. So let's save this. Now quickly go back to our account determination procedure. So we have created document types and we copied it. Like if you get any errors all the way we are trying to resolve an OTC. So this if you go, this is the determination procedure we have defined. Now it's time to assign account determination procedure. Let's go to our sys ZF2, right? So the standard procedure I'm taking out. Okay, let's save this. Next, if you go there, one of the key important setting is there. Let's go define and assign account keys. This will use as of now standard keys like ERL is for your revenues posting and ERS for your sales deduction, CRE is for your rebates, and ERF is for your freight posting. Okay, so where we can able to use our own account keys or else we can try to define it. So assign GL accounts. Let's try to assign GL accounts. So this is our part, right? Let's double click here. So now just go to the new entries. Let's choose our application is sales. Our condition is GOFI. It's simple. Chart of accounts is INT as far as I remember. Okay. And your sales organization is, what is this? Not this one. Escape. Domestic. And my account key is local for G1. Local sales. So trading goods for customer account assigned category and ERL. And GL account, I'm just trying to choose this one, sales domestic revenues. Okay, let's save this. In the similar way, let's do it for your application GOFI, simple chart of accounts, GS D1, and again G1, G1, and this one is like I'm just trying to create it for my deductions. If I choose this 8 again, so this is for customer discounts. As of now, I did it like this. In the similar way, if I copy this, so whereas the copy given, so this layout is bit different. I'm not able to find this one. That's okay. It's new layout. It takes some time to get understand this. Let's copy this. Let's put this. So if you see my account assignment categories for export sales, I'm just doing this one. Export sales. And I'm just trying to change the sales organization. Okay, by using the same sales organization, if I do exports, that is fine. If I have something export sales organization is different, that also I can able to do it. So GS star, let's put it. See, overseas, I just defined. So let's put it. Whenever we'll try to see the foreign customer, then we'll try to do it. For that, we will have a separate GL account. If you'd like to get maintain it, as of now, we'll keep it. This is the standard. And real time, your finance people on discussion, they'll create separate GL accounts and give it to you. There is nothing to worry. Let's save this. This is all about your GL account determination. Now let's try to create it new sales order with our own document type. So I'm not going to fix the old one. Okay. Okay, this is the customer. Before this, let me show you something here. So if I go to the header, so and go to the billing. Okay, account assignment, let's go here. Accounting. Okay, so if you see account assignment group, it's domestic renews, but ours is this one is for local sales. We can keep like this if it is export. So instead of changing transaction level, this we should have to permanently maintain for your transaction level. sorry, customer master level. So if you go to the business partner, if you click on this, if you double click on this, this is the business partner already created. I already told you that, you know, traditional way of maintaining master data is gone. In S4 HANA, you are following the BP concept. If you would like to learn BP in detail for configuration, I have made around of around 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours lengthy discussion on BP with a couple of scenarios with same number range and different number range for CV integration. You can go through it and you can able to find that one up in one of my courses actually. So that is S4 HANA Simple Logistics BP Concepts. That is the title. You can go through it. As of now, let me get into the this sales and distribution. So here, initially when I was maintaining this data, I haven't done account determination, right? At that time I have chosen the standard account assignment group. But in a field control, I'll just made it as a mandatory because without that you cannot able to post the values. So system is a bit slow. You must have a little patience for opening the tabs since it is a practice server. So let's go to the billing tab. So here you see account assignment categories, domestic revenues, that's where it's coming. Like we have defined it as a local sales. Let's press enter. Let's save this. So now let's try to check what sort of errors we are going to get. In the similar way, I'm just going to Material Master. So this is my material code. Let's press enter. So now go to the sales arc 1 tab. And after that sales arc 2. Here, this is the place where your account assignment category is maintaining. Let me choose. See, you have a G1, G1 combination is there. I'm just maintaining this. So now let's try to create a sales order. So in BP, I have created this number as a customer, the same number as a BP in my scenario. So let's enter this material with 2 quantity. Okay. So now if you see here, the availability check. So it is available on 6th. Let's copy this. So now go to the more. What I want more is like, I would like to deliver this one. So it is showing incomplete log. So in ECC, it is coming on the top right. So the layout is a bit different. I think I'm not sure you can able to follow the traditional layout, but he has given in one tab, one go for everything. Let me put it my own way of creating payment terms. Let's put it here. Let's go back. Now let's try to do the delivery. Okay, let's do the delivery. So copy control sheet is missing. So like, let me put it VTLA. This is transaction. A means from order to delivery if supposed to copy. So let's click here. So what is standard one is OR and this one is LF. Okay. Let's check this. Previously we're supposed to click display and change button. There is nothing like here. So I think we can able to copy here. So this one is ZLF for my delivery. GGG. Okay, similar kind of routines are there. There's nothing change here. Let's click here, copy all, so that so item category PO. Let's keep this. Someone has defined this one. I don't want it. Okay, 17 entries, it is got copied. Let's double check. Anyhow, we are using standard item category. We don't have an issue. Okay, maybe FI folks, whoever looking this one, there is nothing to worry. These OTC level settings, you need not do this. But what I wanted to say is, since I have created my own settings, I'm just trying to do this. Let's click on delivery now. Okay, so with the same customer, let's do the my storage location and pick the quantity 2 packs. So let's do the ports goods issue. Let's click on VF01. Okay, so now we have to look into this, like so it is copied. So see this ZF2 F2 I copied as a ZF2, and let me try to check more environment account determination analysis. Okay, so let's save this first, how system behaves. So let's click on VF02. Let's try to release the accounting. So now the accounting document is saved. Now if you see, if you click on revenue accounting, see previously it wasn't there. Now it clearly posted to this GL account. So with the combination of your charter accounts and domestic sales, this is how we have to do the account determination in S4 HANA. It's not a change. It's just for your revision. I made this concept so that there is nothing to worry. Like I'm going to add a few more concepts in next session. Thank you. Have a great day.